Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll guide you on how to delete all comments in Facebook on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Log into your account. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy page. Step 4. Within the Settings and Privacy page, find and click on Activity Log. This will display your activity log. Step 5. In the activity log, locate and click on Comments. This will show all your comments. Step 6. At the top of the Comments page, click on All. This will select all the comments on the page. Step 7. Finally, select Remove to delete all the selected comments. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete all comments in Facebook on your PC. Clean up your comment history and maintain your digital presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.